Uh, what the? What? No. What is up, everybody? Welcome to From the... I mean, not From the Fog. Snowy Woods, a new series I'm doing. And, well, yeah, this is a new series. Uh, it... Before you say, isn't that kind of just like Swaley's, you know, Beyond the Woods? I... Those crows are annoying. I planned it way before Swaley, like, I don't know. Before he did his first episode on Beyond the Woods. And before we get started, I think these shaders are gonna make me lag so bad. I will be getting a PC soon. Well, maybe. I don't know. But let's change these shaders real quick. And just like that, they're being changed to BSF, because that's the only one that really works smooth. I would use Insanity, but no, that's too scary. Oh, right, wolves can kill them. So, let's get on with this. So how's y'all day going? Mine's going pretty good. Today was a half day for school for me. And that's really it. There's only 3 entities I've added here. I'm not forward looking seeing any of them. Because, you know, dwellers scare me a lot, and yeah. And, you know me, I don't like dwellers at all. Especially copy and paste. Both the Goatman and Wendigo can get an exception, but they're cool dwellers. But still. Deciding where I should build my house. The only goal is to get some proper tools and good armor and build a house. Ooh, there's a mine there. Oh, ow. Actually, there's mine here. Ow. It doesn't matter if there's like one coal. One coal. You get 11. Take it or you leave it. I'm not trying to copy off Calvin. It's just best to get 11, alright? If you're like me and just get 6 so you can get some quick stone tools, then yeah, it's pretty acceptable. What the? Oh. I forgot Herobrine. That wasn't Herobrine, that was Alex. Alex is stalking me. Sylvia. And I don't really like how she's just stalking me. No thank you. In the next episode I will get rid of Alex, okay? Sorry for like the cut. I just turned off Insanity because it's too much. Oh. What the What? No. No. Oh! Why you spawned like 6,000 times? No. No, 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 no. No, I did not like that. No, thank you. Oh my god, no. Was that crazy girl? I was just laughing. Like, no. Got a samurai sword. Got tools. Uh, nice job with your super scariness, am I right? I think I'll build my house right here. This one's not bad. Like, at all. Let's chop some stuff up. Shut up, birds. I forgot. I have the sheep dweller. And I don't know if it's gonna... which a sheep is real or not. It's very dark. Oh, I'm one block short for 4 minutes. Seriously. Two entrances, so it makes it easier to leave. I mean, I don't know how. Wait, how do I? No. Oh. She keeps stalking me. That is something I don't like. Not at all. Craft my wood. I have plenty of logs due to a tree. Harvest their mud. Feels very quiet. Very quiet. Like, why is it? Put that down. What? No. You guys heard footsteps, right? Am I going insane? What is that? No. No, no, no. What's just... No. Oh, no, no. No, I was not going insane. No. No, I'm not going insane, am I? Can we talk for a minute on what that was? Just, what was that? What was that? That was the sheep dweller. But like, oh, you think I didn't see you, stupid? You didn't think I didn't see you? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Out of freaking... What is that? Oh, creeper. 2 creepers. Huh. Frick. Oh shoot, what am I doing? Ow! Are you serious? Oh, hi. Hi. What the fuck are you? Wait, what the hell? Bro, you look like an off-brand rake. Nah, bro, I'm out. Curse that skeleton. You seriously follow me? Stupid. Oh, the graveyard people. Oh, water bucket. Oh. You know what? I'll take the campfire. Oh, you also got a katana? Nice. Mind if I take that? No. Oh, it's best to cut with an axe, I'm pretty sure. No. Oh, I forgot the knocker was updated. I forgot if you look at him, he gets darkness, but he goes away. What did I forget he was updated? Oh, how? Okay, maybe I should have thought 10 seconds before looking at him. No! You gotta be serious. Maybe I don't have enough brain cells. Like, tell me if you see like the Man in White or any or the Night Door or any ripoff of something. Tell me you would not. Tell me you would look at it. Okay. Listen. Listen. That's the real Man in White. Like he's the legit one. Why is he even here during day? That's not allowed. This dude, at least he doesn't have Night Dueler AI, or else I'd be dead by now. Because the Night Dueler comes at you whenever he feels like it. And you know what I got to say to that? No. Crap. It's probably a snow fox. Where are my torches? Nice, we got enough. I'm gonna hide that. And head back to the house! Gotta be careful. I say that in the trip. Alright, we gotta craft a bed, cause beds are cool. But that's what you sleep on. Let's get a lot of slabs so I can create the roof. Oh yeah, tip for the Night Dweller if you want to know. Don't look at him. Well, actually, you have to look at him. There's a 50-50, and if you don't, he has a 50% chance of either coming for you, or he'll game end you. The camper guy's just walking around. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Da-na-na. Da-na-na. How's that look? Looks pretty good for a starter hut. Except the inside. Looks very trashy on the inside. But what do you want? Huh? Oh! Oh, he fights back. Sorry, camper. I didn't know he'd fight back. Does charcoal work? Let's see. Oh, it does. Huh. This house is coming along pretty good. Like, I have space so I can't hit my head on the roof, so yeah. Both mistakes are done. Keep all my valuable stuff in here. Water bucket for MLGs. If you own the Spartan's weapon rod, I recommend you craft yourself a katana. Pretty good. Or I can go for a rapier for like high fast damage. Was good. Copper. I think I got what I need from here. But I like it a lot. Boxes. Let's create a double chest. That helps out a lot. Oops. Craft a. Oh, yeah. I need a handle. Copper katana. Does barely more damage. Alright, let's craft it. I don't have sticks on me. Frick. What? Okay. Alright, that didn't work. Alright. Craft a pickaxe. Lastly, an axe for my equipment. Spider's just spinning. Always check the trees, boys, just in case you have something to think that might do. Oh wait, while we're at it, since we have copper, well, let's grab this. There, 400 protection. Yo, I'll take that. Get a copper shield now, boys. Helmet on. Oh, shit. Come here. Oh, it's powerful. How the hell did it just three-shot at me? Like, how can an April Fool's joke just three-shot me? Like, what? I think it's a better way if we just end it off now. Yeah, I think we should wait. Something over there. Is that another one of those things? Lava! Oh wait, that's actually pretty good. Ow. Stop. That's abuse. Ow. Yeah, let's put it on. Just so I can tank it. It has armor toughness anyway. Eat that. Arms too. The other one just targeted me. There. Well, that was close. Anyways. Mining fatigue, why? Why mining fatigue, huh? Hey, at least it's better not dying to the man in white. Because that would have been pain. Anyways, that concludes this episode. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll continue this. Goodbye.